Looking for a laptop with a large 17.3-inch display, powerful performance, and a thin and light design without breaking the bank? Today, we're taking a closer look at the ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch laptop, which is powered by a 12th Gen Intel quad-core Alder Lake N97 processor. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or just someone who wants a big screen for entertainment, this could be the perfect choice. Let's start with the display. The ACEMAGIC has a full HD 1920 by 1080 panel on a huge 17.3-inch screen. This means sharp text, vibrant colors, and plenty of workspace whether you're editing documents, watching movies, or managing multiple windows at once. The thin bezel design makes it look modern and helps keep the laptop's footprint smaller despite the large screen size. And here's the best part, it's lightweight and thin, so you can carry it to class, to the office, or even your favorite cafe without feeling let down. Inside, we have a 12th generation Intel quad-core Alder Lake N97 processor. The chip is designed to balance performance and energy efficiency, making it perfect for everyday computing tasks, from web browsing and online learning to spreadsheets and streaming video. Pair that with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and you can multitask with ease. Switching between apps feels smooth, and you won't be slowed down by background tasks. For storage, you get a speedy 512 GB SSD. This means your laptop boots up in seconds, programs launch almost instantly, and large files transfer quickly. If you've ever been frustrated by slow loading speeds on older laptops, this upgrade will make a huge difference. In terms of connectivity, the ACEMAGIC has you covered. There's an HDMI port for connecting to an external display, a Type-C port for modern peripherals and faster data transfers, and a USB 3.2 port for existing devices. It also has a built-in HD webcam, perfect for video calls, online meetings, or virtual classes. And of course, it runs Windows 11, giving you a clean, modern interface with improved multitasking tools. This laptop is ideal for students who need a large screen for studying and research, professionals who want a mobile workstation with enough screen space to work efficiently, and even casual users who like to watch movies or stream on a larger screen. The lightweight design means you don't have to sacrifice portability or size. So if you're looking for a big screen, powerful, and affordable all-in-one laptop, the ACEMAGIC 17.3-inch is definitely worth considering. I've included the link in the description. Check it out and see if it's your next laptop.